Hello, it's that time of the month again. It's time for me to tell you what the prizes are for my monthly prize draw. I will also tell you that tomorrow is the cut-off date if you want to be in this draw, which will take place on the 1st of April. It's for my club members. You have to subscribe to my club. Many of you already have done. Thank you very much. Every month we have a prize draw for club members, and the prizes in the prize draw are products which I've been sent to review. I now ask for two samples, one for me and one to give away to a club member. So I will tell you about the products for the April prize draw in a moment, but some background on the club for those of you who haven't heard of it and haven't yet joined. YouTube kept encouraging me to do memberships, and they were suggesting a price of £4 a month for memberships. I've decided to set up a club off YouTube through a website. It's called Mark's House and Garden UK Club, and I am charging currently £1 a month. £1 a month for the first 1,000 people that sign up, and you will be known as founder members. And for that, you will get my monthly newsletter, which comes in the form of a PDF and also a video. You'll get exclusive content, which is the mid-month drop, which is a video just for club members, which comes in the middle of the month. And you will get entered into the prize draw, which are the prizes here I'm about to tell you about. And you will also get discount codes when we get given them. Right, so that's the club. Please have a look at it. Your support is greatly appreciated. And thanks again to those who have already signed up. You already know the routine and I know you're enjoying it. Right, the prizes for the 1st of April. For me, the star prize is this. I've got one in the garden. It's the iZeekr trail camera, the wildlife camera. It's got night vision, it's got motion sensor, it records the sound and you can view it remotely and download the footage. And I've got some wonderful footage from my garden on this trail camera. And if you want to see this in action, I'll drop a video in the description box below this one, because I put it next to my log pile last week and got some lovely footage of various different bits of wildlife. So that will be in the prize draw on the 1st of April. You've got to be in it to win it, so sign up now. Right, next, a little motorized pair of scissors, a mini cutter, battery powered, rechargeable. Let me get a piece of paper and show you what this does. It's got a little rotating blade which acts as a pair of scissors. And it just cuts. You can use it for carpets, for material, for paper, for polythene bags. Anything really that will fit through that little slit, it will have a go at cutting it. There's a spare blade in the box. That's been donated by Snapfresh Tools. That will be in the drawer on the 1st of April. Now, my colleague Jerry and I, who's also running the club with me, she does all the legal stuff like GDPR. We've decided to throw in a couple of extra prizes this month. Prizes which will be really useful in the garden, and I will order these through Amazon and send them to the winner. The first is horticultural potting grit. I did a video on that last week explaining the benefits of it, and it did so well and was so popular I thought, well, I might as well include a bag. That will be posted to you from Amazon. We'll pay for it out of club funds, and so that's horticultural potting grit. Could be on its way to you if you sign up and become a member. And this is the 4th and final prize for April. This is my little mini grubbing hoe, wonderful tool. It's like my right hand in my garden. You can use it for weeding, scraping, raking, putting in drills for seeds, reaching things out of trees. It's just a wonderful thing. Jerry's bought one. She's using it as a back scratcher, I believe. Right, so that's your grubbing hoe. So there we are, 4 lovely prizes for club members on the 1st of April. If you're not a club member yet, have a look, sign up. Your support is greatly appreciated. And I'll see you soon for some more Mark's House and Garden UK Club adventures. Bye for now.